Maricopa County is the fourth largest county in the United States. It covers 9,200 square miles. At the Sheriff's Office, we cover every corner of that territory with about 4 million citizens. We have about 3,000 endpoints, PCs, laptops. There was a discussion about reducing the amount of equipment per console, reducing the footprint of the technology, make things more efficient, so virtual desktops just made sense. Data security for us is very important, so we deal with law enforcement sensitive information, confidential information, so protecting that is definitely our highest priority. I was involved in a project as a consultant before starting at the Sheriff's Office with Citrix that didn't go very well. A lot of problems with the implementation, a lot of unhappy users. Now that we're using Horizon, a lot of the legacy type issues that we had with traditional PCs have gone away. From the very start, it was easy to implement, it's easy to administer, and it keeps our users productive.
I am responsible for training on new systems, policy and procedure, call taking procedures, radio dispatch procedures, all of the new CAD software, training everybody on the new systems for that. Before we virtualized our desktops, we basically had Windows XP. We all had roaming profiles because we do sit somewhere different every day. We were all cross-trained. There were some issues with that. If we needed to check jurisdiction, for instance, our older systems just didn't allow us to pull up those in a timely manner to check those things. And if I'm dealing with an accident, then I really need to find these things fast. We have a myriad of applications. On one system, we will have our JWI, which is our Justice Web Interface, CAD, which is our iDispatcher. And then on a secondary system, we have all of our things for productivity where we have forms to fill out. We run Microsoft Windows 7. We had an abundance of new systems and challenges coming into a new state-of-the-art dispatch center, and Horizon was able to provide an identical desktop for every dispatcher, and they could have everything they needed at their fingertips on a daily basis. Horizon allows us to stay logged onto our computers without having to restart them as you would like a normal PC. And so we can stay logged on and we don't have as much downtime as I think we would had we not switched. We're never down a position. We're never out of order, if you will.
We decided to do two separate desktops because we had a requirement to keep the CAD desktop off of the internet as much as we could to protect it from viruses and those types of things. Intergraph is working perfectly fine on our current Horizon environment. I think one of the biggest benefits that we're recognizing from Horizon is just flexibility and the ease of management, and there is no learning curve, so it was really easy to adopt. So when it was time to migrate over, it was just a simple matter of standing up the new virtual desktops in the new center without any interruption. With Horizon, I'm able to keep my users productive, to protect our data, and to easily maintain our virtualized environment.